step right, touch left, step left, touch right, bring the right foot up and behind, and then that's where you either bow or curtsy, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, story of my life, booted from the ball with the, here's with the bow, 5, 6, 7, 8, story of my life, booted from the ball, up, up, let me back up a little bit, up, down, down, out, out, in, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Together, I'm going to do it with the curtsy. 5, 6, 7, 8, story of my life, booted from the ball, the party's off the hook, Peter Pan into a wall. That's the story of my life, some sort of frustrated gesture on my life, okay? And then talk about being executed. We're gonna get into our company front. That's the story of my life. 2, 3, look 4. So we start moving on life with our right hand. Life, 2, 3, 4. Step forward, left foot, cross over with the right, left, right, and come front, hands on hips. I'm gonna back up a little bit so you can see it, and then we're gonna use the jazz hands. Life, 2, 3, 4. I always dreamed I get a happy ending, and this right here, not how it goes. And on goes, you're gonna do the same thing with the left arm. Left arm goes, 2, 3, look front, step right, left, right, left, okay? And then step front. If this is it, it blows, 2, 3, 4, then short jump, not big ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From here, we're gonna grapevine to the left. So we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, step left, behind, left, arms come up and over. Then the other way, to the right, behind, left, hit like this, kind of like you're running away and you got frozen. Okay, so from the grapevine, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, hit, 1, 2, 3, hit. So we just did the grapevine, 1, 2, 3, da, 1, 2, 3, da. Then you're gonna go kind of back to your neutral position, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're stumbling a little bit. You're gonna lost in the woods section, 3, 4. And then the next part are the 1s and 2s. So the words that you're gonna hit are ropes and creek. So 1s go always on the ropes, hit, always up a creek, hit something near your face, like Home Alone, like this under your, something that's close and tight to your face, that's nervous. Ropes, creek. And then part 2, you're gonna start down, always on the ropes, hit, always up a creek, hit. So ropes, up, creek. Okay, that's for the number 2s. Okay, and then the last bit is always kicked around and treated like a freak. So you're gonna step right, left, and swing forward like you're gonna kick a soccer ball. Always kicked around and treated like a freak. So just like get mad and kind of get a little bit lower down. Okay, you can choose if you want to make like a crazy face or you want to just like put your hands in fists, something like that. Okay, so from from the next spot, we do That's the Story of My Life, which is, we're gonna push down with the right hand, up with the left, and step. 1, that's the story of my life. Yes, sir. And then you could repeat to the left, so left hand is down this time. That's the story of my life. Oy vey. And then you're gonna step kick. That's the story. Left, right, left. So again, you're gonna step right, kick left, flex foot, step left, kick right, step right, kick left, bring the left back, right back, left forward. So I always think, ba-dum-bum. So step, kick, step, kick, left, right, left, ba-dum-bum. And that puts you in a place to do your pivot turn. So you're gonna step right, cross over left, step forward with the right, cross the left, walk forward 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, arms come up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and hit at the end. 2's hit down, okay? I'm gonna try to record this now vertically so you can see my arms, legs, and feet in the next video, okay?